Devikrupa Industries, a name synonymous with excellence in pharmaceutical equipment since 2005. In the fast-paced world of pharmaceuticals, food, cosmetics, beverages, pesticide, FMCG, and other industries, finding reliable and efficient equipment can be a challenge. That's where Devikrupa Industries comes to your rescue. Are you facing difficulties in finding the right pharmaceutical machinery and equipment that meet your production demands? Look no further. At Devikrupa Industries, we offer a comprehensive range of pharmaceutical equipment designed with precision and expertise. From bottle washing and liquid filling to ROPP capping, sticker labeling, and batch coding, our equipments are engineered to deliver unmatched performance. Join over 400 plus satisfied customers worldwide who trust Devikrupa Industries for their equipment needs. Customized solutions and certifications like ISO, D&B, and CE, we are the partner you can rely on. Devikrupa Industries, your trusted partner for pharmaceutical equipments.